Hello and welcome back to another episode with Cooking with Nat. And in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I made my homemade jambalaya. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for my jambalaya. So over here I have some chicken breasts, which I diced up. Over here I have some shrimp, deveined and cleaned. And then I have some turkey sausage over here. I have my rice, my tomato paste. I also have my seasonings, which is cayenne pepper, bay leaf, oregano, Old Bay seasoning, paprika. Also, I have some salt and pepper. Also, over here, I have my bell pepper. I have my celery, garlic, and onions. So I'm going to season my chicken with some paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, little cayenne pepper, garlic salt. I'll mix this up and we're going to set this over to the side. Now I'm going to season my shrimp, which I'm going to be using some Old Bay seasoning, paprika, some cayenne little, then I'm going to use some Cajun seasoning. I'll mix this up. So, set it over to the side. So now I'm going to cook my chicken in my vegetable oil. This is how we want our chicken to look. You can tell it's done by the texture. So now we're going to cook our sausage, and right over here I have some more vegetable oil. Let this get hot. Start adding your sausage. So now we're cooking our sausage. And you want to make sure they get nice and golden brown on each side. Nice and brown. I'm telling you, it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat it. Now that we removed our sausage, we're going to go ahead and add our onions. our bell pepper. And our celery. We're going to saute this real good. Add in your garlic. Ooh, I love the way sauteed vegetables smell. To this, we're going to add our seasoning. Give it a good stir. Look at these things. Now I added some water to this, which had chicken broth, which I did off camera. Then you want to add your tomato paste. Bay leaves in here. Now we're going to add our meat back to it. And mix everything together. Now we're going to add our canned diced tomatoes, like so, and stir everything all together. Jasmine rice, which I'm using about a cup. Then we're going to add some more water. And then we're going to cover and We're gonna let it cook, and then I'll be right back to y'all. So now we're gonna add our shrimp. And we're gonna stir it in. And then we're gonna let this cook, and I'll be right back to y'all. Time to eat. And I want to thank you guys for watching, sharing, and also subscribing to the video. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, I also put out videos weekly, so have your notification on so you don't miss out on another video. Until next time, peace.